Everybody's gathering for the cooking challenge.
She did that earlier and it choked me.
I wonder how many participants we're going to have this year. The suspense is mounting.
I have mine.
No. I said I asked her more pasta. Had pasta. No. I did something this small is not pasta.
Cooking chatter.
All different kinds.
That is true.
Well, I guess maybe I mean
There is a little.
life.
Oh yeah.
there is.
Like the little stars.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I do that right?
Yes.
Somebody recount for me.
Everybody raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you raise your hand? 10.
Okay.
Up to 10.
Judith committed. Judith is in now where she wasn't earlier. All right. Way to go, Judith.
On video, so I have.
That's right. Got it recorded.
Sets of 3 and 1 set of 4. Hey, just drop it down in this bag.
Leave it out, Lee.
Yes. Oh, we got another contestant. No, he's one we counted. Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
A non-participating person. I need a non-participating person. I'm not participating.
There you go.
No, you hold the bag and go around to anybody who's, start with, yeah. Hi, I'm Rebecca. I'm Tom. Hi, Tom. And then Rex needs one.
I need one. What am I doing?
You're grabbing a number.
Get your number.
I guess we can raise our hands.
Number 3, my lucky number. Come on, baby. 2. Was that 2B?
Yeah.
To be or not to be?
That's what I was thinking.
That is the question.
That was the question.
That's true. I'm going Hawaiian. Hawaiian.
Hawaii.
Fine, thanks for asking.
So you think? Jimmy, you think yes?
Yeah, I'm doing the drawing tomorrow.
Personally, if I had to choose what, most of I'd choose apples.
Me too. Trying to decide if I going with what I want or what somebody else wants.
I got what? Oh.
I know. I thought it was just. Is there one more?
Oh, that's for you.
Thank you. That is C with the curly thing?
Okay, all the ones get together. I'm 1D.
B.
All
I'm a
the
2B.
2s get together. And all the 3s get together.
I've got a 2.
I got a 3.
You got a 3?
3.
Am I the only 2?
3. I'm a 2.
Rex is a 2.
I'm a 3. You're a 3?
No,
I'm a 3.
I'm sorry.
Dennis, you're a 3. You gotta translate what that says. So we had to hear. He's the writer.
So are y'all 2B?
There's only 3 of us?
Yes. I think so.
1 C. Okay, where's the one?
And then 1 C.
So why
No, there's 1
they just do 4 and 2?
So we got the 3s here, the 2s theirs. Where's the 1s?
Standing right there. I was trying to decide.
Oh, did you bring pasta?
Y'all are the 1s?
No.
Okay. What do we got? We got rice.
Okay, I'm trying to decide.
All right, the hell with it. I'm going to be the mean person.
Hi, sweetie. How are you? Oh, no.
I am.
Be the nice person. Be the nice person.
What does she have?
Moon pies. Looks like.
Oh, moon pies.
Okay. All right.
Yum.
I'm giving you one. You give me one. A lot of rice. I've got one small one. I don't care. Onion, moon pies.
Okay.
So what do you got, Vicky?
Cream cheese, hatch chili,
What's your
and martini.
All right.
Yes, we got good things.
We gotta get this.
Yeah, hatch chili, cream cheese. I've got it.
What you got, Frugal?
B, A, B. What does that mean?
Are you on the
That
2 teams?
so we can designate
Okay.
I want to know what the
who
other
everybody is.
2A.
2A.
What you got, Rex? What are your ingredients?
My ingredients so far is spam and noodles. I don't know what. Oh, and this basil stuff.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with basil
I got
stuff.
3.
Season.
Who cooks with basil?
Hey, Ricky. Me.
What's the other? Oh, Vicky gets spam.
Who's another two? Are we
I don't know. It's one more.
Who's our
There's
number?
only 3 in your group.
Is there really?
Yeah. There's 2 groups of 3 and 1 groups of 4.
3A.
Well,
There you go.
I got an extra can of spam. I'll save this for emergencies
There you go.
because it lasts for
Ever.
freaking ever.
It's all right.
So we only have.
I'm going Hawaiian.
Pineapple.
So you can exchange, right?
Missing rice. Yes. They like rice.
I know.
If you
I
find
was-
someone willing,
I
you
was
can
hoping
exchange.
somebody to do right. But you ruined it. I have to get
I can
noodles,
do it.
so I'm doing a noodles instead of rice.
So I go back and get rice.
No, it's all right. You're cool.
Yeah.
One item, one
You're
time.
supposed to be helping yourself out, girl.
I know. I gotta see what to do.
Let's go over there.
Let's see. Yes.
Oh, that's right.
Trade. Anybody got rice?
To trade.
We have an extra.
I know I have rice and pasta.
I'll trade
Yeah.
you the rice for the basil. For a basil.
I got rice and ramen.
Got the bartering system going on here.
The seasoning in it and not the noodles.
Or an apple. Rice or an apple.
Are you looking to trade your rice?
Yes.
Okay.
You're gonna give me ramen?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the extra one, so you
Okay.
can have that one back.
Okay.
There you go.
Judith pulled off a successful trade.
Yes.
Because I can put.
I'm going with rice.
Okay.
Was Frugal pulling off a successful trade?
I did.
She got the rice.
And what did you trade with the
I got the basil.
Yeah, I'm
the
fine.
basil? The basil for the rice. Okay.
Yes, basil.
Well, and I didn't trade because I had an extra.
She's saying if anybody
So
needs
that's
some,
okay,
if
right?
anybody
Yeah.
needs some basil,
Yeah, so
she
use
has
the
some basil.
Anybody need basil?
No, I'm like, I had an extra.
We've got basil.
All right.
But how do they get those leaves to squirt
Do we
out
have
of
to
this thing? That's what I
be
want.
finished by what time?
1 o'clock.
Well, 1 o'clock you have to be up in there
You
with
have
your
to have
food
your
in there.
dish in there and be
This
filling
leaf
out a
goes.
card and sign the book. Oh, you're gonna go ahead and any of them you don't get now, you can
So,
get
hey,
when
when
they
do
come
we have
back.
to be done?
Food has to be in there by 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
And you have to fill out your card. Did we get the card?
Oh, we didn't get
No,
the
we're gonna have the cards in there. That makes it
okay.
easier than. Oh, I left my card at my
Figure on
rig.
12:50 getting in there.
Yeah, because last time I got in there 2 minutes past the time. Because I did this great idea of doing it on.
Yes,
And
we're
of course
good.
you can't pull up recipes because the
All right, go cook.
phone's not working. What am I gonna make?
Are you cooking outdoors this time?
I am.
All right.
I'm cooking outside.
On the grill.
Hi, TheDanVan.
Hello, Deborah.
How are you this morning?
I'm nifty.
You're nifty. You're always nifty and having fun.
Yes, I am. There's the
here's
famous
your
grill and the propane tank getting hooked up. All right, Frugal. People bringing food in and writing down their ingredients. Getting close to the judging time. All right. Frugal. Okay. Got rice in there and peppers.
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya.
Yeah.
All right.
Jambalaya.
Definitely got to sample that.
We ready?
We got vittles. Cooking.
Looks like it's going to be a fierce competition.
Woo! All these people ready to partake.
We're hungry. That works.
Thank you all for coming. Thank all of you that have participated. There will be a number and a letter on each one after you've tasted. And please remember, this is tasting. If there's leftovers at the end, we don't care. Be sure everybody gets a chance to taste. At the end, you take the number and letter of the person that or the dish you like, and you go to Chuck, and he will take your vote.
Just one vote.
Hey Chuck, I got a 20 for you.
Don't take bribes. Donations are appreciated.
All right. Last stage.
You do it.
Everyone gets to vote, even the cook. You know, you get to vote. I'm closing voting, so.
Going. Camera. Set.
We do have a repeat winner from a previous year. And that was Dash. She won.
What did you make? I made the Oriental salads.
What was your number?
1D.
1D.
I refuse because I like to do this. I get so much pleasure out of this challenge. So, first place.
Now it's 2A.
Okay, hang on. 2A.
Second place, 3C. Where's 3C?
Three C, second place.
Sorry. What number was it?
Well, Rose was busy at work at her desk and Betty dropped on by. Betty saw that Rose was going through some paperwork and typing on her computer, and curiosity killed the cat. So Betty said, "What the heck are you doing with all this?" And Rose said, "Well, I've been working on my will all morning, but I think I got it narrowed down." Betty said, "What do you mean?" And Rose says, "Well, I was thinking, who do I live this to, and who do I give to that, and what charity might I donate it to, but I really wanted to create the world's shortest will." Betty said, "I don't get it. Can you do that?" Rose says, "I think I did." "You want me to read it to you?" Betty said, "Oh yeah, let me have it." Rose said, "This is what I wrote. I, being of sound mind, have spent it all."